Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mio and our group member are Shahira, Jamilah and Fahmi. Each of our member will present of their section for the group project. Okay, for our project, the capstone management system address the fundamental academic requirements of the final year project. This compulsory requirement serves as a comprehensive assessment of a student's ability to integrate theoretical knowledge, analytical skills, and practical competency. It is a collaborative effort involving multiple parties, primarily students and supervisors, who must work within defined constraints such as time, scope, and quality. Because of this, there is a core need for the systematic management of project titles, research information, and development progress. Despite the digital nature of our work, many institutions will still rely on traditional manual methods. Okay, currently, the project information is managed using fragment tools like scattered emails, physical document, and spreadsheet. This results in project records being stored in different platforms, leading to a significant lack of a single source of truth. This tracking challenge made it difficult to monitor proposal approval status, weekly progress, and final evaluation. Ultimately, the system inefficiency leads to data inconsistency and administrative delays that affect the overall quality of the capstone management project process.
Thank you, Mio. Hello, everyone. My name is Shahira. The main objective of this system is to create a centralized platform that provides students and supervisors with easy access to all project-related information. The key goals are to design and implement a structured database that holds all capstone project data in one place. This database will be able to handle student records, project progress, proposal approval, and evaluation report. Second is to develop a web-based system that is accessible to both student and supervisor through any device with an internet connection. The system will be built using PHP for server-side processing and MySQL for database management.
Hello everyone, my name is Fahmi. I will now describe the system design, including the entity relationship diagram and the database structure used in our project. The ERD is a crucial part of the system's design as it helps to map out how different entities interact with each other in the database. We have 6 main entities in our system. Firstly is student, supervisor, project, proposal, progress, and evaluation. The student entity is linked to the project entity as each student registers for the project. And next, a project can have one proposal, which is the initial document submitted by the student. The proposal is then reviewed by the supervisor who provide feedback and approve or reject it. And the project can have multiple progress updates, each representing the student's update or work complete over time. Finally, the evaluation entity holds the result of the final assessment after the project is complete. So, the relationship between these entities are established through primary keys and foreign key. For example, the student table's primary key is linked to the project table foreign key to represent that each student is associated with a project. This structure allows us to maintain data integrity by ensuring that no redundant or inconsistent data is stored. The database is designed using normalization principles to reduce data redundancy and improve data consistency. By separating different types of information into individual tables and linking them using keys, we ensure that our system is scalable and can handle future expansions efficiently. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jamila. Today I will prove the technical success of our capstone project management system by performing a live end-to-end demonstration. Our goal is to show how the system replaces fragmented manual methods with a centralized automated platform. So for the step 1, the secure login, we start at the login page. I am entering the email admin@gmail.com and the password is admin123. As I click login, the PHP beacon validates this credential against our users table. Successfully authentication grants us access to the main navigation dashboard. So now I will demonstrate the core CRUD engine of our system. Read, open, clicking manage student. The system instantly performs a read operation, retrieving all records from the MySQL student table and displaying them in this formatted table. Create. I will now register a new student. I click plus add a student and fill in the name, metric number, and email. After clicking save, the record is added to the database and appears in our list immediately. So for update, if a student's email needs correcting, I click edit. I will modify the details and click updates. This change is committed to the database in real time. And for delete, if a record is no longer needed, I click delete to proceed data integrity. The system triggers a confirmation prompt asking delete this student before permanently removing the student. Next, I will show how the system handles the project development phase. So for submit project proposal, I click submit project proposal. Is shown on this form. The student keys in their project ID, problem statement, and objective. Technically we use the text data types in our database for these fields to ensure that students can input detailed research data with any loss of information. So I just key in here and then I will submit. Okay, the proposal submitted successfully. Okay, we go for the next step, a review proposal supervisor. Now looking at it from a supervisor perspective, I click review a proposal. The supervisor can see the pending status and review the content. Once satisfied, the supervisor updates the status to approve, which is instantly reflected in the proposal table in PHP My Admin. As you can see here. Okay, next is submit weekly progress. Once approved, the students uses the submit weekly progress link to log their updates. Each entry includes a title and description of the work completed, which is saved in our progress table with an automatic timestamp. Okay, submit progress. Okay, now it will appear progress. Okay, it appear here. Okay, now for the most advanced part, the evolution to project automation. Database status check. First, let's look at PHP My Admin. Okay, in the project table, notice that project ID 2, project ID 4 has a status of approved. And I will now navigate to final project evolution. I will key in project ID 4 marks 88 and I will leave comment good progress. Okay, now I will submit. Refresh. Okay, as you can see here, it appear completed. The success result when I click submit rate, the system performs a dual transaction. First, the marks are saved in the evaluation table. Second, our backend logic triggers an update command. If we refresh phpMyAdmin and look at the project table again, you can see the status for project 4 has automatically changed to completed. This proves our system successfully automates project tracking. So, for the conclusion, the success of the system is defined by three factors. Centralization. We have moved all capstone data into one secure web-based platform. Integrity. Our normalized database design and the use of primary and foreign key prevent data inconsistency. And lastly is automation. We have significantly reduced the administrative burden through features like automated project status tracking. The system is a practical, user-friendly solution for managing the entire capstone project lifecycle. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your time.